Where should you invest? Should you play it safe with large cap, aim for growth with mid cap, or take a chance and invest in small cap for higher returns? Let me break it down so that you can make the right decision. Welcome to Ashwini Trading Academy, where I simplify stock market topic for you. Let's start with the heavyweights, which are large cap companies. These are the top 100 companies by market value. Think of names like Reliance Industries, HDFC Bank, or TCS. All these stocks' market capitalization is very massive. It is over 20,000 crore, making them the most stable in the market. Investing in large cap stocks is like planting a banyan tree. It grows very slow but provides solid long-term shade. Returns may not be sky high, but they are very reliable, perfect for those who wanted to sleep peacefully at night without worrying about the market swings. Let's now understand about mid-cap companies. Mid-cap companies are the growth champions which are ranked between 101 and 250. These are companies like Federal Bank, etc. Their market cap ranges between 5,000 to 20,000 crore. Mid-cap are the sweet spot between stability and growth. Imagine mid-cap as a teenager, full of energy and potential. They are not as predictable as large cap, but can deliver much faster growth. If you're someone who enjoys a bit of risk and need a better rewards, mid-cap are a great pick. And finally, let's talk about small cap companies. These are ranked between 251 and above. Now, their market capitalization is below 5,000 crore. Small caps are like lottery tickets in stock market. They have the potential to deliver massive returns, but the risks are equally higher. It is like planting a sapling that could either grow into a magnificent tree or fail to survive. So, if you wanted to take a huge risk and if you wanted to get huge reward, small cap is a good stock for you. It is like planting a sapling that could either grow into a magnificent tree or fail to survive the weather. Small caps are for investors who don't mind a roller coaster ride in exchanges for high rewards. Now, the final conclusion is, where should you invest? This answer depends on your goals and risk appetite. If you want peace of mind and steady returns, stick to large cap. If you are looking to grow your wealth and can handle some ups and downs, go for mid cap. And if you are ready to take on challenges for potential higher rewards, small caps are for you. A good portfolio often has a mix of all three, a little bit of safety, some growth, and a pinch of excitement. I hope this video was very helpful for you to decide on whether to go with small, mid, or large cap. And subscribe to our channel to understand more about stock market in a simple term. Let's grow together.